Sometimes problems do occur with our builds. This is gonna be one of those videos where I'm gonna show you exactly what I had to go through so you don't have to make the same mistakes that I have done. I was planning to use this ROG Pro 4 cooler from Be Quiet on this Z690 Hero motherboard. Unfortunately, there's plenty of problems here. And I noticed later on some other problems with the motherboard as well. You can request this LGA 1700 bracket from Be Quiet without any cost. You just put these rubbers on the bracket itself, and this goes on backside of your motherboard. Fairly simple procedure to install. Excellent guide from Be Quiet. Excellent service. By the way, the moment you do request from their website, they're just asking you proof of purchase of processor and the cooler itself. Once it's done, they have an automated email service where they respond to you, and next thing you know, the item is already shipped. This is like my second unit, so second bracket is on its way. Since I'm in EU, they ship it to me from Poland. You receive your thermal paste, everything else. Excellent cooler. The reason I wanted to use this cooler was the entire system to be air cooled, but since I'm gonna show you the problems that I ended up having, you will see what else I got. But it's a very beautiful cooler, to be honest. So it will be used in another build. Massive cooler. Always check on their site, on their manuals, if it supports your RAM basically. I didn't do it because I bought this so cheap, so I didn't bother. I was thinking I'm not gonna have issue, but then I ended up getting a different kind of RAM. On these 4 holes, you match it just like this. You place the motherboard on the table back again. And then you have these metal thingies. You get the screwdriver from them also. They have their own installation video also. I wanted to show to you guys also this procedure, how it's done. Not sure why some people had a problem with installation process. It's pretty much straightforward. Maybe they don't read the manual. Then they assume they can just do it. But you can watch the video also from them. Or follow my video. But I did not install the cooler entirely because there wasn't any point to do so. Then you put these brackets, depending on which orientation you want to have the cooler on. For my use purpose, it was like this. And then you apply the paste. After you apply the paste, you place the cooler, and there's a middle metal bracket for extra support. I had a feeling that it was gonna be like this, where you will see exactly. So with these RAM kits and this cooler, this combo doesn't work whatsoever. So instead, I got an Arctic cooler. So we'll be going AIO instead. Arctic 360 on synchro case. Haven't shipped it yet, so I don't have the product. Just when I fixed the RAM issue, I remember the box being damaged. I thought everything was fine. I didn't do a good overall check on the motherboard itself. Turns out USB header was slightly bent. It's an easy fix. I contacted my retailer that I bought the product from. This is maybe 2 months later. They were super kind enough to help. They just dropped the price even further to me. The reason I got this motherboard so cheap was because you remember the issue with the reversed memory capacitor Asus being shipped that way? They thought these units in Europe also had the issue. None of the units in Europe has this issue whatsoever. But till they found out, I grabbed a deal from them. But I'm extremely happy overall. So I installed the processor, fixed the pins. Obviously I can use the other USB header as well. No issues. I plugged in everything and I got so happy because everything is working fine. Once I saw that BIOS screen, no issues. Obviously you shouldn't be doing like this, but I wanted to see that everything is working as it should. I mean, what can we say about Swedish PostNord? They lose packages, horrible customer support service. There's actually a dedicated group on Facebook, people sharing their own experience, how awful company it is. I stand by that also. Thank you for watching the video. This was a short update of why you should plan your system. It is very important.